Now, this is specifically for comic book people, people that want to be comic artists, that want to make comic pages. One thing you probably noticed you got yourself into is drawing small faces. And so we learned how to address that in the lesson. So for the exercise, I like to have different size panels and different size faces in those panels. Make sure to draw some faces so small that it's literally impossible to put any details in it. So literally it's just going to be the face, some hair, maybe a little bit of shading over the shape of the face, and that's it. And then also draw some faces where you have minor details in there, but you really have to limit it. Otherwise, the face has too much going on, and when you shrink it down, it just looks kind of like a blurry blob. You don't want that. So make sure to draw the face at the size it's going to be and draw those limited details as we learned in the lesson. Fill up a page full of small faces, and I think you'll have it down. It's not too difficult, but it can take some time to get it. Just the tiniest little strokes make a huge difference. All right, so get to drawing.